Hello everybody, welcome back to our Tracer Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily log out of your account on the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to File right at the top left corner. Now here, let's click on the Logout option. Now here, select the account that you want to log out of. You can have a lot of accounts here on the Bitwarden. Now I'll choose this one, and as you guys can see, it will ask us if we are sure that we want to log out. So let's click log out right now. And as you guys can see, now we need to enter our address again and the master password. So now let's enter the password. And now let's click enter and log in. As you guys can see, we are logged back in, but yes, we did log out. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.